Today I received a package from Korea. These are Kim Jung Gi's merch from his solo exhibition in Lotte Museum. So here is the merch bag. These are canvas bag. Yes, canvas bag made in Korea. He did this original artwork just for the exhibition itself. So this is very exclusive. But this is really nicely printed. It feels like it's more like vinyl. It's not direct print. I'm just guessing, I don't know. But the back side is empty. Really roomy, nice. Oh my, what is this? Is that jersey? Oh, so it says Kim Jung Gi's uniform. What does it say here? Giants. So I guess Lotte has to do with the Giant. Giant is a baseball team in Korea, right? Right? Oh my. There's a tissue paper and oh wow. It's a really beautiful illustration. And this is a definitely maybe silk screen or direct garment print. It's really, really nice. I see all the details of this brush stroke. It's really nice. City of Baseball Busan 2021 Kim Jung Gi signature. It almost looks like he just drew directly with his Sharpie. That's so cool. Oh, it says Giants. Oh, so Lotte, I guess, owns Giants. Great. Okay. So Angel, it says Angel in Us. It's a coffee shop, I believe. Maybe like another form of Starbucks in Korea. How can you use this? Look at this. Oh, so maybe he is drawing his own versions of Angel in Us. See, there's a logo and Kim Jung Gi's own logo and signature. And yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 identical cups in one box. So pretty. I don't think I could ever use this. I would use this. Wow, okay, so this is just a wrapper, that makes sense. But it's a really great paper and really, really great quality. The paper is so delicate, but I really love the paper quality. It's so heavy, it feels very heavy, and the texture is so smooth. And see, this is a logo that they used for the exhibition. And this artwork was done in 2017. I'm so going to frame this. Nicely packaged. So the size is 360 milli and 370 milli. Made in Korea, 100% cotton. So full color. So I think it almost feels like the same material as the other bag. Wow. Nice. nice. A little smaller than the other one, but this one, I can tell this was a part of his sketchbook. Yeah, it's really nice. So many. Oh, what is this? It says Project Loop. I remember him mentioning this in one of his interview. What is this? Oh, so this is made with recycled bottle. So mechanically recycled, ethical for the earth. Oh, so this one is made with the recycled PET bottles and recycled yarn. And this is made with recycled materials too. Oh, it looks really durable. But again, like the print of it, it's like, I don't know what it is, but it feels so, it blends in so well. It almost feels like he drew on these. Yeah, and then it has his little mascot here, his signature, and it has Project Loop. This will be perfect for like change or for like little cosmetic or lip balm. It's really nice. And I really like the box too. Box is really nice too. Oh my. Okay. Oh, okay. Tumblr. This is Tumblr. Oh, okay, again. Angel in Us. Oh. This is pretty. I love Tumblr. Look. It has like the combination of matte and glossy materials. You guys see? So all his drawings and signature. This is a little cloth. Opens. Oh, look at this. So this is a infuser for tea, right? You put tea in here and then you can drink out of it without drinking the tea leaf. This is really nice. Really nice. Okay. Oh my. Oh, who would not want this? It's very, very famous shark poster. Okay. Okay. It says dentist shark. Let's see. Nice. Oh, the paper texture is really nice. I can't not guess the weight of the paper, but I love that there's no line, so you can just use it as a sketchbook. Just like how Kim Jung Gi does it. And there's a thing here that you can just close it, right? And I love this turquoise color. There's one more. Whoa, the famous spy game cover. I love this. Okay. Okay. Same thing. It has a title, Spy Games. Oh, okay. Oh, same thing. Interior is pretty much the same. See, the paper texture is really nice. It'll be perfect for like ballpoint pen. Wow. And it has a band as well. That's his logo. I really like the texture. It's really nice. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Croquis book. So this is a sketchbook. Jung Gi Sketchbook. So it has a spiral. It has hardcover. This is hard. Oh, the paper is definitely a lot thicker than the sketchbook. Oh my, what are these? Scarf! 3 different types of scarf. I asked for this, 300. And he sent me all 3. Okay. Oh my, this will be very, very cute. How do I open this? Okay. Oh, so this is like more like bandana material, you know, like the cotton. I hope this shows the vibrant color, like almost like a neon green. It's really, really nice. Okay, so another scarf. Same material, but it has a nice contrast with purple and yellow, and a little bit of like cyan blue. It's really nice. Yeah, and I really love the packaging too. I think you guys will like this one. Oh, so this one don't have a trim, and it looks like it's slight different material. Okay, so this is more silky material. The other 2 were like the bandana, like more cotton material. It's really nice. Do you see how well it delivers his brushwork? It's really nice. Do you see, like, it's very silky material. It's really nice. Okay. It says glass. And oh my, the cup! I think I need something here. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. So it's a different character. It has a really nice weight to it. Okay. Wow. Note. It says it's a note. So maybe a post-it or... Oh, so it's like mini sketchbook. Something that you can write on. It has almost same paper weight. Very cute. Okay. Masking tape? It is a masking tape. It said masking tape. I'm sure one of our video will show the detailed view of this sketchbook that lays out in horizontal way. Really nice. And he sent me 4. These are so cute. So I'll definitely post some photos in Kim Jung Gi US. They're really nice. Pins. So cute. Well made. Very nice. Oh, this is cute. It's gray and gold. They're so good with color. Magnets. I bet it's magnet. Yes. You can put them on your fridge or your workstation. Okay. It just says warning, but it's a magnet. Really nice. Oh, this is so good. Another die cut magnet. Oh, it's the same image that they use for the scarf. Yeah. Tigers playing VR. Okay. Cell phone. Cell phone case. Oh, so he sent me two identical. Oh, but they're different iPhone. Awesome. This is really nice too. So he sent different, so there are two cases, but then he sent different iPhone model. It's really nice. What is this? Oh, it's the same thing as the little coin pouch. This is so cute. The Project Loop. And again, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but then it's really, really nice detail. So whenever there's no ink, it's empty. Almost like they're putting like a sticker. So let's see what's inside. His signature. And here's a penguin and cat dancing. Oh, and it has a little candle. It could be like maybe like a makeup for travel. Oh my, it has another bag. This bear holding the water bottle. Yeah. This would be perfect for travel or even, you know, your hard drive. It has really nice thickness and handle. I think this would be also good for office use too, like hard drive, charger, or when you're traveling. So nice. Another Angels in Us. So something related to coffee. It has a nice, really good humor in packaging. Okay. Oh, a mug. It has a matte material. And blue inside with his, maybe with his writing? Maybe, not sure, but really nice. Oh, and it has Angels in Us 2021 Kim Jung Gi. Awesome. Oh, it's a pink package. Oh, with a different drawing. Oh, so this is a drive-through. Do you guys see this? Drive-through. And here's another mascot that is barista. Oh, pink. Yes. So matte surface. Oh, I missed a tiny magnet. This is a tiny magnet. Super cute. What is this? Okay, another cup. It's gonna be another design. So cute. This is actually one of my favorite too. It has a really nice weight. I wish you guys can feel this. Okay. Now we're on to Apparel. So these are all part of Kim Jung Gi exhibition by Lotte. This is size small. Ooh. I'll definitely upload more detailed photo. Epic. Really, really epic. Great. So this is white t-shirt. Then we have blue, light blue. So dynamic. So dynamic. And see, when there's no drawing, it's empty. It's almost like they put a sticker. But it feels soft. It's not that hard. And the back is empty. And I think this one will be very dramatic too. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh, this one has more like, oh, it's a long sleeve. Do you see this? Oh, so much detail. And then it has captain. And then the material is it's not cotton, it's very silky. Almost like it could be a perfect like workout clothes. You see? It's really nice. Another short sleeve. I really like this one in black too. Great. And oh, this one has the same texture, like the very silky texture as this one. Ooh. Oh. I'm surprised how did I print on garment like this? It's crazy. They're capturing all the details of his brush smudge and stroke and the thickness of the brush stroke is crazy. It's really nice. This grandma is fixing something. You guys see it? Alright, we're almost done. What is this? Another very famous tattoo shop illustration. Metal standing. So it's more like a display. So it's like a little frame and you just make it stand like this on your desk. Same thing. Landscape and portrait version. This little text says just remove the protective sleeve. Great. And what is this? Poster. Okay, it's a poster. So it's not bifold, guys. It's just the way it is. So it's a little wider than 11 by 17. I'm sure it's maybe like 12 by 20 something. It's not 11 by 17. But very iconic. I loved his illustration with pink. I loved this logo that they used. It says in Korean, Kim Jung Gi, the other side. Yes. So it's almost like a poster with cardboard box in the back. This is really nice. Yes, and I have oh, they made a mask. They made a mask. Right? Yeah, this is from Rotet too. They made a mask. This is so cute. They made a pin out of this. They made a pin out of this too. And do you guys know what this is? This is a stationery. Like Korea, we often use this to protect some, important contract or things that you want to keep, without any damaging them. So it's basically like little protective sleeve, but then it has one opening. It's very commonly used in Korea. It's like very commonly used among students or people who work in corporate. And they sent me these. Such a great surprise. Thank you so much, Jung Gi and Hyunjin. And oh my, there are so many surprises in here. Okay. Postcard. Favorite, right? Like who doesn't get postcard at the museum? The tiger playing VR, tattoo girl, the tattoo guy. Oh my, what is this? "2018 Comic-Con." I bet it was based on San Diego. It was one of the page in his sketchbook. Do you guys know what this is? TLT's very first published comic book. Very, very hard to find. And these are his old sketches about some characters, random characters. But they're very fun to look at. They also use this for one of the masking tape. Do you think this is a sticker? Let me see. It is a sticker. Oh, sticker. Sticker. It's great for a laptop. Oh, okay. And then these, they're kind of cut into different sections. So I was just looking at that. See? Oh, I love these. Wish I can show you guys. These are clear stickers. I love clear stickers. Look. This will be perfect for like luggage, your car window. Oh my. What are these? Sticker. Do you see this? It's dissected into 4 parts. You see a very fine line here. Almost like a puzzle. Postcard. Large postcard. You can even frame this because the quality of the print it holds up really well. Postcard. I love it. Postcard. Alright, so that's it. That's it for all the merch from Lotte Gallery for Kim Jung Gi's Seoul exhibition. So these are you guys excited to see what these are? These are the new clothing line that Kim Jung Gi and Hyunjin are making. So this will be available in the United States very soon. So I am going to shoot another video unboxing and then show you guys how you guys will receive these and the price and everything. So these are my samples for me to look at. But you guys all know this very famous logo, right? That represents Kim Jung Gi. So this is another Kim Jung Gi and Hyunjin's very unique clothing line. I know they have hired the clothing, the company and the designer to work very hard to make it a great quality. So yeah, I'll definitely shoot another video on this one. Thank you guys. Thank you all for watching.